Okay, so hello everyone. Today's topic is dictionary comprehension. So just like your list comprehension and set comprehension, dictionary is almost like similar only. Okay, again here also you will find the curly brackets, but only thing is when it comes to dictionary, the one and very important point is we have two things as a pair. One is key and second is value. So for example, I'm writing one variable my dictionary equal to, and now obviously we are going to use a curly bracket. Okay, first of all, I am not writing what I want to store in my dictionary. I am writing for loop. Okay, so for x in, okay, and then I will say for example range, and I will say 1 comma 5 for example. So it will be starting, it will start from 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. But now we want to store two things. Suppose if it is like I want to multiply each number with 2. Okay, so we know that before 4 we have to write x into 2, but that is all about only the value part. And what about the key part? So obviously if I write x and colon, so what will happen? Whatever is your x, for example 1, so 1 this will be here, and 1 into 2 will be your value. Next time your x is 2, so x2 will be key, and 2 into 2 will be for what? Value. So if I write print my dictionary and control S and F5, see. And again in the same program editing, like if you want 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, something like this, that is also possible. So only one multiplication sign I have added. See, here we are getting the output. Okay, and suppose we want key as something else and value also something else, but not for numbers but for this string. So what we will do, we will remove this range first of all, because we don't want that. And in double quotation or maybe in single quotation you can write, for example, coding, and what exactly I want, that my value to print x multiply by 3 times, and I want my key uh, as uppercase actually. So now first it will take c, okay, only c in x. So your x dot upper will be capital C, and then that will be key, then colon, and then c it will print 3 times. Then it will take second character, then third character, then fourth character, then fifth, and so on. So let's see the output of this program. See, it is capital C, capital O, capital D, all are keys, and values 3 times C, 3 times O, then 3 times D, and so on likewise. So this is was possible also using the string also. So that is all about the dictionary comprehension. As I said, the concept and meaning will remain same, just like your list and set. But only difference in the dictionary, it is like having two things. One is key and second is what? Value. Thank you everyone.